Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, reading lamps front, daytime running lights, power outlets, headlights auto off, front disc rear drum brakes, tilt steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.